The Best of Jamaica Awards here with Jamaicans.com, and I'm joined with the beautiful, the delightful, the joyful, the exuberant. I don't even have enough adjectives to describe Miss Yendi Phillips. Congratulations. How are you feeling?
Adrian, I feel so grateful. I'm so grateful because it's a wonderful feeling to know you wake up, you love something, God has shone this idea in deep into your soul, you bring something to life and people appreciate it. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. You know what I mean? You do what you love and people appreciate it and then them say, yeah, you see a little award here, keep going. It's lovely. I'm so grateful.
And where in Jamaica are you from? Where do your roots go to?
Town, but because I feel like Kingston's a little boring, let me explain. I always rely heavily on my mother's roots. So my mom is actually born and raised in St. Mary. So I feel like it feel like more exotic. Yeah. But hold on, I'm not a fraud. Let me explain. My uncles still live in St. Mary. So, St. Mary.
Yes, St. Mary.
By way of Kingston. Don't tell anybody. No, town, born and grown.
Yes, and so as a Jamaican and representing, what does it mean to get this award from your people?
I think it's so special. I mean, I first came into the awareness of the Jamaican public in 2007. I was Miss Jamaica World. And then in 2010, I was Miss Jamaica Universe. I placed second at the Miss Universe competition, and Jamaicans have always rallied behind me. I've been in TV, I've been working in media now for over 20 years, like literally over 20 years. We also need to work on our child labor laws because that means I started at 5. But there's nothing more special, especially because of how our Jamaican tribe is. There's nothing more special than when your people say, yeah, we appreciate you, we thank you, because say, we're not easy for please.
I was just thinking, I said, they're picky,
And we're not a frightened bunch.
No. So they'll say what
They say what they mean.
They mean what they say.
So if them say, me love you, I'm so grateful because I love you for true. So I'm really honored and I'm so grateful. I'm genuinely, deeply grateful.
Wonderful, wonderful.